need to be recording our.
I'm good. How you doing?
All right. What can we help you with?
I'm just coming in to look at some pamphlets and film a little bit.
Look at your pamphlets and read. You don't need to be recording our employees.
They in public, sir. I'm legally allowed to film them. They in public.
If they're out in this place right here, yes, sir.
There's a glass right there. We private journalists, independent,
Private
independent journalists. Yes, sir.
Okay.
We don't mean no harm. We got no ill intent or nothing like that.
How long do you intend on being here?
Just trying to film a couple of pictures and read some of these pamphlets, and that's it.
Okay.
Like I said, we have no ill intent. You know what I'm saying? We just in
Where
here.
you from?
I'm from North Carolina.
I mean, are you with a company or anything?
Private journalist.
Private?
Yes. Independent journalist. Yes, sir.
Independent journalist?
You got a business card?
No, sir.
You don't have a, wow.
No, sir.
Okay. Are you the captain, right?
No, sir.
Can I find out who you are?
I'm up there on the board.
Okay, you don't want to
No, sir.
identify. Any policy to identify?
Not that I'm.
No? Can I find out who you are?
I'm up there on the board.
Okay, you don't want to
No, sir.
identify. Any policy to identify?
Not that I'm.
No? You might want to read up on that.
Okay. I'll go back here and read it while you
Do that.
But you can find me on that board.
Okay, I'll find you. No problem. Trying to push somebody out. Find him on the board, he says. Well, there ain't but about 50 of them up here, so. Trying to push somebody out. Find him on the board, he says. Well, there ain't but about 50 of them up here, so. Let's see, there's one of them. Andrew was one of them that come in here. Oh, where's he at? There's Andrew. Detective Andrew. Right there in the middle. Let's see where the other one is. Let me see if I can scope him out here. It's got to be a detective. Or a little deputy. Don't see, that might be him right there. Lieutenant, maybe, I don't know. I think it's right there. I just had him. Was it that one? Can't tell. Anyway, that was Owens Jr.
All we do is just film all.
That's what I'm trying to do, but it's hard to do.
Like this.
Yeah. Trying to scope him out, but that's fine. And he don't know the law on filming, evidently.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah, there he is. Let me get on that side. I'll switch with you. There we go. There's that one guy that was in here a while ago.
Might be him right there.
I don't think that's him, but we'll find out. That's all good. I mean, he's about 50. That one guy that was in here a while
Might be
ago.
him right there.
I don't think that's him, but we'll find out. That's all good. I mean, he's about 50 of them. No, that's not him. He wasn't a lieutenant, he said. Said he wasn't a lieutenant, but that's all right. But I know that's that jerk right there that told I couldn't film in here. Andrew something. That's all right. They don't want to identify, that's cool. They don't even know their own policy, I guess. But anyway, we came and done what we wanted to do, is come in here and film a little bit. And that's the office back there. Huh? It don't matter, man. Yeah. I ain't scared of them. I mean, I ain't. Yep, that's fine. I am not scared. What is it? That's ridiculous. Look. That is ridiculous. Look, I got to film that. This is freaking ridiculous. Look at this. Look at this, guys. They're putting up paper so we can't see through the window. That is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Look at the childish tactics. Childish tactics.
You shouldn't be picking on those people.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. I've seen it all now, guys.
Now let's go before they finish putting it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah. Now they can take it back down. What we'll do is go out here and then I think we left and then go back in. That's that was childish for sure. That was unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. I'm not going in a magistrate's office. I done tried that once. Didn't work out too good. And I hadn't posted it either. Kind of nervous, you know. Ow. This thing here feels a little rickety. That right there is childish. The sheriff's office putting up paper over the glass windows so we wouldn't be able to film the people behind the glass that work for me and you, the public. Is just ludicrous. I mean, it's laughable. That's all I can say is it's laughable, guys. Y'all know what to do. Hit that bell, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff, and keep them cameras rolling. Here.